Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you for the continuous support that you have provided me with. I appreciate it a lot. So today we are going to set up a DSTV account on a Capitec app, so we can be able to just make payment on the app rather than struggling going around. So you go to transact, you go to payments. Definitely need to key in your PIN and you press continue, and then you go at the bottom of all the beneficiaries that you have. Right at the bottom you can see there is add beneficiary. You can just add a beneficiary there, and then you can click Capitec registered, and then you can type in DSTV or mode choice. You press go. There is mode choice, you can just click on it, and then you key in the DSTV account number. That is the number or a reference that you have been given by DSTV. It's 8 digits, so I'm just gonna key in mine. Okay, and then you click notification. So with notification, you want to notify DSTV or more choice that you have paid. You can notify them via email, you can notify them via SMS. So we're gonna do an SMS, and then we are just going to key in the number. That's the cell phone number, and next. Okay, I want to create a beneficiary for mode choice. Yes. Then you can key in the PIN number for your app. And you press OK. It says success, and straight away the beneficiary has been created. We say payment, and then I'm just gonna key in a small amount just for a test. And then you click pay, and you click yes, I want to pay 10 Rand to DSTV, and that's it, we are done. So this saves you a lot of time of going to town, or maybe perhaps let me say it is the last day and you are hurrying, you fear that they might close the channels. So it's an easy and convenient way of doing it on the app. I hope this was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.